I think we're in Boston, about to hit up Salem. And look, I found me a unicorn. Yeah, unicorn. About to hit up the Salem Festival, the Halloween Festival, for Kat's birthday, because she's a Halloween baby. And we're gonna join up with all the other witches. I mean, you know, the witches, not all the other, you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Kat's not a witch. I'm not saying you're a witch.
In the middle of the street, we're going in as quickly as we can. Where are you all? It's sold out. 3:45, everybody, move on up here, folks. Thank you.
I got you that.
Walking towards the cemetery where they believe some of the witches were buried. It's kind of creepy.
No. We just try to keep it. No, it's free. Okay.
Inside the cemetery, a lot of the people that were directly responsible for the witch trials buried here. In this old cemetery. I think it was like 1629 when this was started.
Oh, look at the little one.
Frankenstein. Were you scared of Frankenstein? No?
Okay.
Scared of Michael Myers? He's creepy. He's over there.
Or just disrespectful.
Altar good about the healing. My name was put at the top of that pile because I need some healing. Place is pretty cool, pretty cool. Salem is jumping. Heading to breakfast. Breakfast with the champion. What do you need? Everything? Or nothing? They don't have chicken nuggets. Get that off your mind right now. Let's see what they got. They got a nice little spread. That might be cheese. Wait, no, it's egg. Wait till you get the plate. Having breakfast. The champion's eating eggs, peanut butter, and bagel. Weird combination, but hey.
Cheese.
Oh, and cheese. Eggs, peanut butter, cheese, and bagel. Cool little spot. The weather's not so great, but we're gonna deal with it because it's not raining, so it's perfect. Anytime there's no rain, you're okay. I'm done. I'm ready to go. So this is what the room looks like. It's not bad. Don't pay attention to the mess. That's what happens. There's a lot of women in the room, but usually it used to be the men. Now it's the women that make the mess. See? 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 But it's a little kitchen area, little bed area, little couch. This is a great hotel. Sonesta ES in Burlington. I recommend it if you come to Salem and you want to stay a little bit away from Salem and you don't mind it. Sonesta ES in Burlington. Good to go. Or ES Sonesta, whatever. You know what I mean. Thanks, Sonesta. Yep, that's the mansion. We're gonna park right here.
Oh my God.
That's it. That is it. This is how you celebrate Halloween, by going to places that spook you. Even though it's not that spooky, it's beautiful. Adventures of Dennis, Halloween style. The mansion they used in the movie, Flowers in the Attic, and Witches of Eastwick. Come on, this is perfect. Come on, come on, look at this. Such a beautiful estate. All of this belongs to them. All of it. I'm pretty sure this place costs more than my house. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. Because I'm just saying that, you know, I have a pretty nice house. Not. Well, I do have a nice house, but not like this. Definitely not like this. Let's go see what these people are doing. My table.
I know.
Do you like it? You want to live here? I'm sure you do. I do too. Wow. These floors. This is the library that the family would have used to just enjoy and relax and read a book. The life. So we're inside right now, the Crane Mansion, which is the house used in the movies Flowers in the Attic and Witches of Eastwick. I want you to see the view that they set up over here. If you look out the windows, you can see the beach right over there. Look at that. The beach is right there. It's the view from this property. This property is amazing. Yep, I could live here. I mean, they won't let me, but I could live here. I'm pretty sure that if you own that house, that this would be a place where you would want to throw nice events, barbecues, family get-togethers, kick some people out when they get drunk, you know, that type of stuff. The beach is in the background back there. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, look at that. It's called Crane Beach. Oh, they got their own beach named after them. Pretty amazing. Wow, look at this. Bree, they just told me that we can live here for 2 years.
With your boots. Careful where you walk.
With your dirty boots. This is what living is all about. See? That's how you set up a backyard. Your own little art display. Statues everywhere. Sculptures. Just relaxation. I'm sure there's no fleas and ticks in this grass. I'm positive. Look at this. I'm pretty sure that the view going back over there, over the hill, is their own beach. I'm gonna walk over there and let you know. We'll take a look together. Alright? See you back in a little bit. Now listen, YouTube, if you own your own estate that looks like that, and you have a backyard that looks like this, of course you would have your own checkers and chess sets that look like that. Right, Bree?
Yep.
Look at this. I would learn to play chess just to play out here. Look at this. Look at this yard. We're still making our way over there to the beach, but it's way in the distance over there, so it's going to take a while. We are still making our way to the beach. As you can see, it's a long distance, but look at the estate back there. Amazing. This is all their property. I'm tired just walking to the beach. These guys could exercise just on their own property. Amazing. Look at that. I'm determined to get up that hill. Determined. Let's do it together, YouTube. Let's do it together. Listen, trust me when I tell you, I'm determined to make it to the beach. But we've walked so far. You see that? The estate is all the way back there. And we have so much to go. But I'm gonna get there. Not for me, for you. The things I do for you. Stay tuned. Okay, we finally made it. Just to get this view. See that? That's called Crane Beach. And it belongs to the family that owns the estate back there. Got a long walk back, but we're gonna enjoy this view for a little bit. Here's the little munchkin Bree. You like it, Bree?
Yeah.
Wow. It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a view.
3 hills away. I learned 3 hills away.
The house is way back there. And we're gonna walk it back
My boots
back
are soaked.
to the house we go.
I'm gonna take a seat real quick. Oh look, there's like a little thing over there.
What?
Like a little path. Wanna go there?
That's to go down the beach.
You wanna see it?
No. That's way too much. Oh, YouTube could hear this. No, I'm not saying that I'm lazy or anything. I'm just saying that way too much walking, YouTube. You know how it is. You know how it is, right? Come on. Don't act like you don't know how it is. It's a lot of walking. We're up on the hill. This is called Castle Hill, by the way. The house is up on Castle Hill. And the beach is all the way down that way. The trail is that way to get to the beach. We're not going to do it. We're going to walk back to the house. Okay. See you soon. Okay, so this is how it looks walking back to the house from the beach. If you can imagine having your own beach and your house next to the beach, it's not really next to the beach. It's like a mile and a half down your property to get to the beach.
But if there's ever a flood, they're lucky because this is a mountain.
Yeah,
and the beach can't really get all the way up there.
Yeah, it won't get flooded out, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And the house is made of strong materials like rock and stone. So no hurricane is going to really do extra damage, but do damage to your body walking to the beach. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, see you
I
soon.
feel like my socks are all wet.
Mine too. Okay, one last look at the Crane estate, the Crane mansion. This is the back of it, which is pretty amazing, spectacular. It's the rolling hills heading to the beach, their own private beach called the Crane Beach. And one last look walking around the front. Beautiful look on their side patio. And here we go, one last look at the front of the Crane estate. This place is something else. Don't ever let the rappers lie to you and tell you that they have that old school money, because they really don't. This is old money right here. This is old money. There's a parking lot there, but you have to drive to the gate. So you can't just walk from the beginning of the gate to the house. It's too far. Okay. One last look.